my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe Asanwa in the house. Hello, welcome on board. Today I'm unboxing my Christmas present. Let's jump into the video. This is all from my cooker, so I'm going to unbox this one first. So this is a small bag. It has a tassel. It's a cross bag, so it's a small bag. I'll put the name of the bag here. So this is kind of hang it here. So it has adjustable hand. So and it has my cookers here, and it has MK logo printed all over the bag, both front and back. So this is the inside. So like a zip here. So this is the hand. Oh, they said this is a large bag, so it has logo like here. So this is this is a large black bag, so you can does it come with a dust bag? Yeah, and it has a dust bag. It has two bags to opening, and that, and the middle bag, and they call it a large bag. So I'm going to put the name of the bag. So this is like everyday wear, and you can put your laptop here because they say the large bag. You can put your laptop. It has logo. It has MK and the zip. Yeah. I like it. And the hand is adjustable hand. So. This is a white bag. Yeah. So, and it has this shade, and here it says MK. So, oh, it's hard to open. Oh my God. Comes with a dust bag, and the hand and the side zip, and the hand like here. So this is the hand. So this is the hand. And it has micro on the hand, so you can attach it here So yes, adjustable hand. Yeah. And it comes in 4 colors: brown, silver, black and white. So, and the chain varies. Some of them comes in a gold hardware and some comes with this white one. So it depends on which one you want to choose. So yeah, I love it. Oh, I love this bag because you can make it like this. Yeah. So don't forget to give this video a big like, subscribe, comment, share, and follow me to see how I sell these bags. Yeah, I love. See you guys. I might buy the brown one, or I might buy the 3 colors.